Officer Edward Nero chooses a bench trial, meaning the judge will decide his fate, not a jury. This means the trial could go much quicker than a jury trial. WJZ investigator Mike Hellgren is live at City Hall with the other important decisions made in the preparation of this high-profile trial. Mike.
Vic, they mostly involved what's admissible at trial. This is an emotionally charged case. The judge insisted he will not be swayed by his emotions. Officer Nero and his lawyer said they've talked time and time again about whether to have a bench trial. In the end, they put their confidence in Judge Barry Williams. Judge Barry Williams alone will decide the fate of Officer Edward Nero when his trial starts Thursday, the latest in the Freddie Gray cases to head to court.
I think that, Judge Williams made it, abundantly clear that he's not going to let emotions enter into his mind.
Judge Williams will allow cell phone videos of Gray's arrest, but the sound must be muted. He'll also allow prosecutors to claim excessive force and mention Gray's injuries, but not in detail. Nero is one of the officers on bicycles who arrested Gray. Among the misdemeanor charges he faces, second-degree assault. That carries up to 10 years behind bars on the novel legal theory that he had no probable cause to take Gray into custody, and doing so equaled an assault.
In a sense, what the prosecution's saying is the police have made too many arrests in Baltimore, too many arrests that never resulted in conviction.
Another issue, the knife Gray carried at the time of his arrest. Judge Williams ruled prosecutors can't discuss its legality at trial, and the defense can't bring up Gray's past run-ins with police.
There may not be as much a debate about what happened as to whether or not what happened constituted a crime. And there, it comes to a question of really understanding the law.
Both sides expect to wrap up their cases by next Wednesday, with a verdict likely next week. And Officer Nero remains suspended with pay. His father told their hometown New Jersey newspaper last year he is confident his son will be acquitted. Vic?
Mike, thank you. We invite you to stay with WJZ for the latest developments of the Edward Nero case. We'll bring you everything on the trial, the other officers accused in the death of Freddie Gray, and how the city is still recovering more than 1 year later.